Our Advanced Tracking Wizard module allows you to install any tag from any source on the pages of your site without having to modify your templates by yourself or having to ask a developer to do it. Thanks to our module, installing a tag couldn't be easier. The module offers you two possibilities. Either click on Create a tag or click on Load a tag. If you click on Load a tag, you will see a list of ready-to-use tags. If the partner platform on which you're going to track your data is in the list, the tag implementation is extremely simple. You just have to click on the partner platform name, for example, Criteo. Click on Next, enter your user ID, activate the tag, and click on Save. The tag is automatically embedded on your site pages. You can check the tag loading by going to your site and displaying the page source code. In our example, it's a Criteo tag, so once you are on a product page, you display the source code and you search Criteo. You can see that the tag has been correctly embedded and that it has collected information. So this took you just a few seconds to start to manage your site's data. If your platform isn't in the list or if you have developed some custom tags and you want to use them, you have to click on Create a tag. We are going to see 3 examples of use, but of course there are multiple ways to use this tag manager. First example of use. Let's imagine that you want to track which products have been viewed on your site. For the name, you can enter, for example, dynamic remarketing. The type of pages on which you have to install the tag is here, product. You can select which product you want to track or leave empty if you want to track all of them. You can choose to insert the tag in the header of the page or in the footer. Then you have to go to retrieve the script given by, for example, Google AdWords. So I copy it and I paste it here. So you have to enter here the type of the pages you have selected above, so product, and then replace the default variables here and here with dynamic variables that are offered by the module here. So the ID of the product ID, and the total value, so the product price with or without taxes. Then activate the tag and save. Finally, check the tag loading by going to one of your product pages and display the source code of the page and search, for example, the ecom prod ID variable. You can see that the tag has been correctly embedded and that it has detected a visit. Second example of use. Let's imagine that you want to track the orders made through ads on affiliated sites. So you click on Create a tag. The name could be, for example, affiliation. The type of the page should be order confirmation, and here you have to fetch the script given by the affiliate platform. So for example, this one. I copy it and I paste it here. And now you have to replace the default variables with dynamic variables that are offered by the module. So first here you have to enter your key and then replace default variables by those that are in the right column. So the order ID, the amount, so total amount with or without taxes, and with or without discount and shipping fees. here the payment method, the customer ID, and finally a custom variable, so for example, the voucher used. Then activate the tag and save. You can check the tag loading by making a test order on your shop and display the source code on the order confirmation page and search the name of your affiliate platform. You can see that the tag has been correctly embedded and that it has detected an order. Here you can see the ID of the order, the amount, and here the payment method. Third example of use. Let's imagine that you want to track new account creations with, for example, a script that has been created by your agency. So create a tag, and in this case you can enter, for example, lead acquisition for the name of the tag. Then select the type of the page new customer created and paste here your custom tag. You have to replace the default variables with dynamic variables that are offered by the module. For example, here you have to put the customer ID and the last name of the customer. You have to activate the tag and save. You can check the tag loading by creating a new customer account on your shop. And displaying the source code of the page and search your script. You can see that the tag has been correctly embedded and that it has detected a new customer here with the name test here. So that's all, nothing easier. You can already go to your partner platform and start to exploit the first collected data. Note that the list of the tags already pre-registered in the module is not fixed. Don't hesitate to contact us to share with us your ideas about tags to preload in the module so that it is even more profitable. As you have seen, this module is a real partner and its use has no other limit than your imagination.